Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. We have entered August, that is, we have entered the season of independence. This Independence Day, enjoy the freedom by having this sweet dish. You can treat your colleagues or friends or your community in the apartment and enjoy this Independence Day. You can also prepare tricolor poori and tricolor cupcakes. The link I have given in the description, go and check out. For tricolor rava kesari, we need 3 cups of suji or semolina or Bombay rava because we are going to prepare 3 different layers, that is the flag color, saffron, white and green. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee and add only 1 cup of suji or semolina and allow it to turn till golden brown color. Now once it turn golden brown color, put it aside. Take another bowl and add 2.5 or 3 cups of water and give it a nice boil. Once you get a nice boil, add all the fried semolina little by little so that there are no lumps formed, and you allow it to cook it on lower flame or simmer flame just for 1 minute. After 1 minute, this will be the texture you will get. Now this is the perfect consistency. The suji or semolina is almost 80% cooked. Now add half a cup of sugar. Now for 1 cup of suji or semolina, you need to add half a cup of sugar. Now see, it has become a little bit waterier consistency. This is the perfect one. Add a little bit of cardamom powder or ilachi powder, and for orange color, that is in the flag color, saffron color, you need to add orange color. Just mix it in the water and then give it a nice stir like this. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and that's it. You're done with your orange layer. So take a bowl and grease it with ghee perfectly to all the sides, edges and all, and then add the orange color little by little. See that there are no air gaps or air bubbles, and then dab it nicely and gently, and that's it. You're done with your orange color. Now for the white color in the middle, prepare in the same way as the orange one. That is, for 1 cup, you need 1 cup of suji or semolina, fry it till golden brown color and add 2.5 cups of water and boil it, and then add half a cup of sugar, and that's it. Your white layer is all done. After that, the same process with the green layer also. Fry 1 cup of suji or semolina and add 2.5 cups of water. Give it a nice boil. Stir it nicely without any lumps formed, and then add green color and half a cup of sugar, and that's it. You're done with your green layer also. Now all these 3 layers are perfectly cooked. For each layer, it will take at least 7 to 10 minutes time for preparing. So at the same time, the layers are also getting cooled. So that is the perfect timing for us to prepare the second layer or the third layer. Now once you're done with the green layer also, add a little bit of ghee and dab nicely without any air bubbles are there in the layers, and then dab it gently like this and then spread it nicely. Allow it to cool for half an hour. Do not add more ghee on top of it or between the layers, because if you add more ghee, there are chances that the layers doesn't stick to them properly. It will get separated. Now that's it. After half an hour, when you demold it, you will get a perfect tricolor rava kesari. Not only it is attractive to see, but also very sweet and delicious for eating. It's so yummy and delicious. You can enjoy this tricolor rava kesari this Independence Day. For me, a little bit of orange, white and green layers are left over, so I didn't waste it. I have again added into a round bowl and I have prepared this also. So you can prepare it any shape, but enjoy this tricolor rava kesari this season, and also you can impress your family members or your friends or your colleagues. Now don't miss to try this. Surely give it a try this Independence Day and enjoy the freedom. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.